Hello and welcome to PHP Dinos. And today I will show you how to update WordPress CMS translations using wp-cli command. Let's go. And first command we will run is wp language plugin --all update, which actually will update all translations for all plugins. The second command I'm running is wp language theme --all update, which actually updates all theme languages translations. And finally, the last command I'm running is wp language core update, which updates core WordPress core translations. This is it. That's all, folks, for today. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and share this video, and subscribe to our channel, and come back to watch more PHP videos soon. Bye bye.